Attribute Access Control ABAC. Attribute-based access control, ABAC, represents a more generalized access control approach compared to ABAC. Instead of grouping users into predefined roles, ABAC allows administrators to craft security policies based on user, object, and contextual attributes. ABAC facilitates conditional access restrictions, enabling policies such as restricting access to salary information until executives finalize merit increases. Location-based access control extends the attribute model by incorporating a user's physical location as an attribute. For instance, a policy might mandate accessing data only from specific physical locations. Access control policies may encompass other restrictions, including time-based limitations to regulate after-hours system access. For example, restricting a user's system access during evenings and weekends can mitigate risks associated with unsupervised activity. Implementing time-of-day restrictions in a Windows Active Directory environment involves configuring logon hours for users. By defining specific timeframes during which users can access the system, administrators enhance security by limiting access to designated periods. As with other security measures, access control should adhere to a risk-based approach, wherein stricter standards are applied for higher-stakes scenarios. For instance, accessing highly sensitive information may necessitate stronger authentication measures. Example 1. Dynamic data access in healthcare. In a healthcare application, access to patient records might be controlled based on several attributes. User attributes. Role, for example, doctor, nurse, specialization, department. Resource attributes. Type of record, for example, general health, mental health, sensitivity level. Environmental attributes. Time of day, location of access, on-site, off-site. A policy could specify that doctors can access mental health records, resource attribute, of their patients only during working hours, environmental attribute, and when accessing from hospital computers, environmental attribute. This prevents sensitive data access during off hours or from unsecured locations. Example 2. Financial Services Access Control. In a banking system, access to financial records and transaction capabilities might depend on user attributes, employee role, clearance level, department. Resource attributes, transaction type, for example, withdrawal, transfer, account type, for example, personal, corporate, transaction amount. Environmental attributes, transaction location, domestic, international, time of transaction. A policy could be designed to allow only employees from the fraud department, user attribute, to initiate international wire transfers, resource attribute, over $10,000, resource attribute, during business hours, environmental attribute, and require multi-factor authentication if done from an international IP address, environmental attribute.